What's going on, everybody? It's the Crypto Hound here. We have a lot going on for you today. XRP is the big news of the week, probably the month, probably till the next bull run. We'll be talking about XRP, thinking about XRP, but there's a lot of other cryptos out there. There's a lot of other stocks out there, and we want to cover it all. We want to get you guys caught up with what's going on in the economy, especially the crypto side, because your normal news station isn't covering what's happening in the bear market of crypto. So we're going to put it out there, get you guys involved and included. If you guys want to be included more, I started up all the socials. I got a Discord, I got an Instagram, Twitter. You can find me on my YouTube here. Let's take you guys to the main screen. If you want to start getting invested, you could use the Coinbase link, and you got the Ledger Nano link as well. If you go to the About section, you got all the links down here. Ledger, Safe, Coinbase, Insta, Discord. Discord's where we kind of show any kind of trade swings, buying opportunities, and also just current news, articles, all the good stuff. So, what do we got on our list today? Can I get a drum roll? Here we go. All right, we're going to go intro, Twitter time, XRP latest, Bitcoin halving cycle, BlackRock and Coinbase, guess the chart, Tesla news, China bearish, and Q&A. All right, so let's go into Twitter time. We had Wendy O. Nothing good happened to her. I was on Around the Blockchain last Friday. Super exciting. This is the video here if the link is attached to it. But yeah, man, they're a big crypto. This is BitBoy Crypto's crew. And man, they are really fun to talk about current market condition and hang out with. So make sure you give them a follow as well. Kind of ranting here. Let's see what the newest is. All right, here we go. Proof that FedNow and Ripple and XRP are connected. Boom. This is the FedNow system. According to recent reports, the Federal Reserve has recognized the potential of XRP in facilitating the new blockchain aspect of the FedNow payment system. XRP is the fastest and most scalable digital asset, enabling real-time global payments anywhere in the world. After a successful pilot program, the Federal Reserve decided to connect FedNow, the real-time payment system, to the XRP network. The integration allows FedNow to utilize Ripple's blockchain technology to process payments faster and more efficiently. One of the major benefits of using Ripple XRP. That's what we're talking about. Retweet. Love it. Did she really call SPV? That's crazy. For an hour and 30 minutes? This comments gets $100. Anyway, all right. That's your little Twitter time. XRP latest. Whoo! We got some big news for you for Ripple. This was just posted today. Ripple says U.S. banks will want to use XRP cryptocurrency after partial victory in SEC. But now, guys, remember, the total volume and liquidity isn't there in the total crypto market cap yet. We're still only at like $1.2 trillion compared to $3 trillion that was at the last bull run at the top. So I think we're going to have to wait for Bitcoin halving event and for all that volume to start coming back into the market. So now is definitely the time to start accumulating. We might see some lower prices for XRP. I'll pull up the chart here for you guys. I had a lot of stuff penciled in on the shorter time frames. Let's go to the monthly. All right, so my original guesses here was that around this mark here is where we're going to set, and we are. And then when it breaks above some Fibonacci level that I put in here, that's gone. Oh, it's kind of sitting at that. It is sitting at that 786 pocket that I called, man. I called this breakout to go to that 786 breakout because Bitcoin did the same thing in the middle of the last bear market. It kind of flipped, hit this 0.786 pocket, and then came back down before the Bitcoin halving, and then everything started to rip up. So we still have some time. Maybe we get some discounted prices. XRP 55 cents is your best buying right here. This is going to come back as previous support. I've already looked at all these levels here, support, resistance on a larger time frame. But right now we're holding above the 69 cent mark. So let's hope we hold. Let's hope it keeps going up, because the more it does now, the more it'll do in the future. We're finally out of the lawsuit. So we got that going for us, at least in the XRP community. So throw the X up in the comments. Go like this video and subscribe for more. We love XRP here. Bitcoin halving cycle. I had a good photo for this, but I think let's just look at the Bitcoin chart. Why not pull it all up here? So when we look at the Bitcoin chart and the halving cycle, it does very, very similar things. I'm going to pull up a photo of the halving cycle right now. Got to get to charts. So every 4 years, there's 3 years of a bear market, 1 year of a bull market. Like from this top over here in 2018, all the way down to right around here in 2020. So 2 years, 2.5, whatever, and then we start ripping back up. Big bull run. 2021 was the top, come back down. 2022, now we're 2023. You know what I mean? We are gearing up. We're at this point here in the last cycle, where now we flipped up, we're hitting that pocket, and we're gonna probably just come back down right above the accumulation range. Maybe get that one good buying point right there later on in a few months, and then it's takeoff. After that, it's takeoff time. So look for that one last big dip to the lowest resistance line on the Fibonacci scale. And I'll be screaming it from the rooftops too, so you don't got that to worry about. All right, let's look at... That's a good one too, honestly. Just going to look at the psychology of a market. All right, so you got your euphoria, complacency, anxiety, denial, panic. Nice. And then this is a sucker's rally. Disbelief. Depression. We were in depression for a while. Disbelief. I think that's where we're at now. That is disbelief. Sucker's rally. And look, this rally will fail like the others. All right, so just remember that. A recovery is possible. So the next step is hope. All right. So once disbelief kind of gets corrected, that will be our last buying opportunity right there. That big wick down, and then up we go. We're going to see huge all-time highs in 2025. People, it's going to be huge. Get in now. Set yourself up with a 5-10-year plan. You're not going to want to touch this money, need this money, and this money is going to work for you while you're working your job, doing your hardest out there. So we had breaking news this past weekend. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF got approved. I believe it was Sunday. Or they accepted it for review. A serious look. BlackRock has only had one other ETF that got denied. Just saying. My question was, that you guys could answer, was, is it going to be BlackRock's assets of Bitcoin? And how they, like, are you trusting how they invest in Bitcoin and their price action, and that they buy in at better prices than you can? You know what I mean? Why invest in an ETF versus getting Bitcoin yourself? And that's something we all have to ask ourselves. Do we want to trust someone else's asset class and when they buy and sell? Or do we want to trust ourselves? And I feel like the whole purpose of crypto is having that security yourself, is banking yourself. That's the beauty of it. So that was big news, and this is huge for Coinbase. The stock of Coinbase has been doing magnificent. Up to 105, it was at $50, and it is doubled. It has skyrocketed, $50 here up to 105. So Coinbase is very bullish on this BlackRock news. Would have been nice to get into Coinbase earlier on. I was looking at it, but I didn't end up trickling in. We're going to do guess the chart here. I'm going to pull up US stock or crypto. I feel like crypto's been bussing more. Oh, you're not gonna get this one. Not how that looks. Maybe just by the price. I'll just take a picture of the price and see if you guys could get it. All right. If you guess the chart, maybe you'll get a Crypto Hound souvenir. We got Redbubble and we got a bunch of Crypto Hound merch out. Just got to get that circulated around. So, biggest news today was that the Tesla Cybertruck has finally been released, but it sounds like it was kind of a cover-up because they got bad earnings or something, and they came out, Cybertruck smokescreen, analysts ring warning bells on the Tesla margins. So Tesla margins looked bad. They've been overspending, but man, look at that truck. It looks nice, and it's finally on the market. First vehicle produced at the company's Austin plant. While they still ring the bell on the margins. So, how did price action do? It was very bullish today, almost went up to 300. And it's been doing very good. 150, almost up to 300 here. Best buying opportunity be around 100, almost 3xing it. Tesla's a good stock to get into. It's one of those that you're going to want to average into because it's going to be hard to save up all your money to buy in at that cheapest price. You can wait that long and you can miss out. That's the problem. They are producing Teslas worldwide, and the Germany plant is to start up soon as well, or at least start going under construction. China being bearish. So this was a big thing in the news today. It's Monday, so you get hit with a lot of stuff. Fear and greed index. It's driven the U.S. market. Wow, extreme greed in the market right now. It's not a good sign, meaning that we're kind of at the tops of things and we may be going lower. So this is about China's economy. More stimulus desperately needed as China's economic recovery slows further. I think job claim was really low or something. And what they had said in this article too was when China's economy is slow, it affects the whole rest of the world. Tax breaks, contract percent growth headwinds, target easing measures. Let's see this. To counteract persistent growth headwinds, we expect more easing measures in coming months with a focus on fiscal, housing, and consumption, Goldman Sachs analyst said. All right. Relying on tech tycoons. So yeah, it's not looking good for China. Oh, here was the part of this article here. Ready? When China grows, many would argue the rest of the world also grows. But when it slows, well, everyone starts to worry. The worry is justified. By World Bank estimates, a 1% decline in China's growth rate causes a 0.5% drop in global growth. Wow. Almost saying that China takes up half of the economy. So this might not be good for the U.S. Stock market in the near future. If we look at some of our major indices here, we are at almost all-time highs. Where's our Dow? U.S. index, Dow Jones. Check it out in the super chart. Yeah, we are looking all-time highs here. It's incredible. I like the all chart. Look at this. It's incredible. And it looks like it's going to keep going further. It's always gone up. You got a couple red candles. So if you got a couple more red candles, you should probably buy. 100%. After big red candles, whee! You see big red candles on the, I guess, monthly. Get 3 of them. 3 seems like the magical number here. 3 or 4. I'd stick with 3. And then you want to buy it up because it's going right back up. So we'll see what happens here. We've been fighting this resistance line here for a long time. I almost want to put some lines on this, but we'll analyze it later. That's it for today. Just wanted to give you guys a quick recap of where everything is in the market. Hope this video catches you guys well. It's a good time of your life. We got a lot of excitement during this bear market. A lot of innovation going on, so keep tuning in. I'll keep you posted on the latest, and we're going to grow together, man. We're going to all be back here in 2025 watching our investments that we made now, kept on stacking and put aside, start to pump, and that's when the fun begins. When do I sell? When do I sell? How much do I sell? It's all up to you and how much you want to risk and how much you need at the time. But I'll be here to at least look at key levels and give you some TA and price action. So everyone take care and have a good rest of your week. I got tons of new videos out. I actually just posted a new XRP update too, and we went deep down the rabbit hole. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Crypto Hound, out.